This product costs only $15 and people are buying it for $45. Here's how you can make $1K per day selling this without holding any inventory. First, make a Shopify account using my link. Use this to create a simple store with the free refresh theme. Next, find a supplier who can sell it at a low price. To make good videos, model off of your successful competitors. They've already proved these video ideas work, so you don't have to come up with anything on your own. Now you can post organically for free on Instagram and TikTok, or you can run paid ads on Facebook if you have the budget. Start with an Advantage plus shopping campaign at $100 per day. When someone sees your video, they can order the product from your website. Then you just ship the order from your supplier straight to your customer without even touching it. If you want to see an in-depth tutorial with a real dropshipping store that actually makes over $1,000 a day, just follow me and comment "ready."